Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I think it is unfair to hitting form of discipline. Because if we hit somebody can be hurt and very surprised. They can hurt because they can hit with bat, ruler, and rock. If somebody hit with iron bat, somebody can be die, and their family can be angry, and the teachers hit or say bad words to students. They can be very shocked and panic the teacher. In Korean news of SBS Morning White, some students get hurt from teacher and some students get mental shock. If some teacher hit student and make hurts to students, the teacher should pay the hospital money or go to the police and go to the jail. I think it is unfair to hitting form of discipline. Thank you for listening.